Hello guys, Chimen, that's your favorite poultry farmer. And today I'll be showing you guys how to whitewash your house, your poultry pen. Now, I know most of you have been wondering, why did the poultry die in 2 weeks or 2 days or 3 days when you bring them into your house? Yes, it might be from the hatchery, quite alright. It might be from your house, the way you're brooding. But have you thought of how you whitewash your house? Now, don't you think that your former bed that just left had diseases on your pen, because these are new beds, so they need fresh environment. Now I'll be showing you guys how to whitewash your house. Now whitewashing your house helps whole lot of whitewashing your house helps you to prevent whole lot of diseases. Now before me I have what I use in whitewashing my house. Now this is hypo I use to because of this insecticide. Now after whitewashing my house, this is what I have an insecticide I'll use after I touch my house. I use it then close everywhere. Now, what is the point? The point here is whitewashing your house helps the light in your brooding pen to be brighter. When you whitewash your house, your brooder is very bright. It's quite very bright. With a light, it allows your bed to eat, to drink water, and to enjoy themselves. Now, today, whitewashing your house is very important. Now, these are the steps. Immediately after whitewashing your house, you are after whitewashing it, allow it to dry. Immediately it have dried, now sanitize. This is mine. Disinfect your house. After disinfecting your house, close it, leave it for 1 day, then open it. After you've left it for 1 day, that means you've closed it, left it for 1 day, then you open it for air to penetrate through the house. Then you sweep it again. After sweeping it, then you arrange your brooders. Then that is just the step for whitewashing your house. Now, whitewashing your house helps to prevent whole lot of diseases into your house, because your bed needs fresh, cool, and safe environment to enjoying themselves in your pen. So that is it for now. So I will show you the step. Although we all know how to wash a pen, so I won't be showing you how to. I won't be demonstrating everything. No, I will just show you step by step. After whitewashing, I will show you how I whitewash the house. How the house is when after whitewashing. The immediately after it has dried, I will show you how I disinfected my house. After disinfecting, I will show you how after disinfecting, I will show you how I closed it so that all the termite, everything will die. Now, after that, I'll still show you how I left the house open so that fresh air could enter. Now, after that, I'll still show you how I swept my house. So this is just the step by step to whitewash your house. Whitewashing your house is very important. Make sure you whitewash, and while whitewashing your house, make sure you have your nose mask. It's very true. You avoid inhaling the diseases from the former bed that just went in. Right, otherwise, our beds before then our beds are coming in by Friday. That is by upper. There's 3 days now or 4 days. Yeah, the 4 days down. Our bed is coming in. So please subscribe to my channel, like, hit at the notification bell, so whenever I release a new video, it gets it automatically. Thank you. To avoid diseases first, you need to do the right thing. Cleaning your house very well. It's quite very important. So I don't play with them at all. To avoid mortality or whatever. but you have to make it very clean. Like, remember I told you whitewashing was the game. Whitewash your house very well. You enjoyed it. So, I think that's all for now. So, I think you are done. So, let's try and tidy up everywhere. It's okay.
So, hello guys, we are actually done whitewashing the house. As you can see how here is very quite very neat. So the next thing I see how very neat. Like I can even sleep here. I can sleep here, no big deal, I can sleep here. So the next thing now allow it to dry. After the drying, we'll disinfect it. After disinfecting it, then we'll close it, we call it airtight, we'll airtight the room, leave it till tomorrow. Then we'll come back, we'll open everywhere so fresh air can so that the disinfectant can release the house. After that, then we'll sweep out. After sweeping it out, then we'll arrange our Buddha. After arranging our Buddha, remember I told you guys our bird is coming in by Friday. So it's no big deal. After everything, remember after we'll just wait, it's still wet, let it dry. When the house dry, we'll disinfect it. After disinfecting it, we'll airtight it. After airtighting it, you're done. Okay? So just look how my house is very neat. My birds will so enjoy. They will so enjoy themselves. So everywhere is so neat. Everywhere is so neat. So it's no big deal. Just do the right thing. Just do the right thing. You will enjoy your bed. From the beginning, do the right thing. From your whitewashing, from your litter, your drinker, your feeder, your brooder management, your light, everything. As you can see, everywhere just clean. Okay, so I'll be coming on Friday. Please subscribe to my channel, like, hit at the notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you get it automatically. Okay, so now we're waiting for the house to dry. When it dry, we'll disinfect. After disinfecting, we airtight. After airtighting, we'll leave it till tomorrow. We'll come back tomorrow, then free the room, open everywhere so that this disinfectant can leave the house. Then we'll sweep it, then prepare our Buddha. So that's it. Thank you so much. The house is dry. So what we did now is disinfecting the house. Now this is one of the curious part of it. Just be very careful because this is very toxic. When you inhale it too much, you might have issues. So when you're disinfecting the house, please be on nose masks. And when you are doing, if you don't have, I don't know where my globe is now. If you don't have, wear your nose mask. And if you are done, wash your hand. Okay. So guys, that does it, okay? Just be so careful when you're doing it. It's very important. Now try these angles. These angles are very you should be very careful with because yeah, these angles because this is where those pests and insects don't get hide. So it's very important. Try the angles of the house. Okay? Remember when you're doing it, just close everywhere. Make sure that everywhere is closed. Okay? So guys, I'm really, I'm really inhaling it. Okay, so that's it for now. So okay, that's it for now. So we'll come back tomorrow. Then you see the difference. I will show you some kind of pest, rodent, and all the stuff. You see how all of them are flying out. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, like hit a notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you get automatically. Okay.
So guys, we have opened our house. I did it this morning. I opened. Remember, we disinfected yesterday. We airtight everywhere. So now I opened everywhere in the morning. Now let me show you something. Let me show you why your bed, when you bring them in, it's not mostly your bed don't even die. It's not, the fault is not from the hatchery. It might be from the way you whitewashed your house. You might not whitewash them very well. Now let me show you something. Now remember, we washed the house. We disinfect it. Now let me show you what happened. Just take a look. Just let me show you the thing disinfectant killed. So to show you that it's quite very important for you to wash your house very well. Wash it and disinfect it. Now guys, take a look. Now take a look at what. Now this things alone can kill your bed. These are termites. This things alone can kill your day old chick. You see, these are termites. So please, it's very important. Whitewash your house very well. When you're done whitewashing it, you disinfect it. After disinfecting it, you airtight your room. After airtighting your room, the next day you open it, leave it open. Then leave it open for like a day. Then the next day you come back, open it very early in the morning. So that the disinfectant the toxic smell can leave the house. Then later in the evening, come and sweep it. You will see wonders in your house, your poultry pen. So these are a whole lot of things we've see. This is a loner. These are termites. They can eat up your bed, your day ochi. They will just be dying, you won't know. Or your day ochi will be feeding on them. You see? So please, this is why disinfectant in your house is very important. Make sure you do it. Just do the right thing. And trust me, you will have an adequate and a right livestock till 7 weeks. So please, now the next thing, now we are done. Remember, I told our birds will be coming on Friday. That is next tomorrow. So we will be, now I'll be showing you how to brood the house. I will show you how to arrange your brooders and arrange your house for the next bed that is coming in. So we'll try and do everything before time. Okay, please just subscribe to my channel. I have a whole lot of things to show you, and also I'll be showing you my next video. I'll be showing, try and go to my next video. I'll be showing you how to prevent fly and your pen to be smelling. I will show you how to do that. How to for from 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you see flies all over your house, your poultry house. You see flies and they will start smelling. Now I'll be showing you how to prevent those things to happen. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, like, hit at the notification bell, so whenever I release a new video, you get it automatically. As you can see, I've showed you from day one steps on how to whitewash your house. But remember, I told you whitewashing help your house to be so clean and bright, so that your bulb as well can support the brightness of the house after whitewashing it. But don't forget, please, you whitewash, you allow it to dry. After allowing it to dry, you disinfect it, airtight the room, leave it. The next day, come early in the morning and open your house. After opening it, come later in the evening or in the afternoon and open your house and sweep out. You will see what the disinfectant have killed us far. Okay, so thank you so much. So don't forget, go to my next video for you to see the other how to prevent flies and your pen, your litter to be smelling. Okay, assuming that your favorite poultry farmer. Thank you. So guys, our Buddha is ready. So remember, it's still 100 bed because of our space. We have constructed space here. It's still 100 bed. So a feeder, a feeder is for 50 beds here, while a drinker is for 50 beds. So we have two drinker and two feeder for 100 bed. And remember, our litter is quite wonderful. And let me show you our litter. You see how deep it is. It's very deep, so that this bird can enjoy themselves, perform their natural behavior. So that's the thing. So we'll be expecting our birds any moment from now. In the next 4 hours, 5 hours, our best will be in. They will enjoy themselves, with so what we did now, remember what you do at the first day because of the stress they pass through from where they are coming from, you give them glucose. Give them glucose for any sort of energy, give them, but me, I'm giving glucose. Okay. So when they comes in, you arrange your brother and that's all. So what we did now, we heat up the house so these guys when they come they can feel warm. You get so that's the thing. Remember how I showed you from step one how I whitewashed my house. You can see how bright my house is. I whitewashed it. That's how bright. That's because of the whitewash. You can see the roof is very neat. Because of the whitewashing, everywhere is sparkling. So these guys can now look at me now from this distance. Now I can read this newspaper. What is written on this newspaper? Okay. Let me just read one now. Journalism variation reading vital. From this distance, I can read this newspaper. That's how neat and bright here is. Okay. So guys, you have no big deal. Trust me, these guys will enjoy themselves. Okay. Assuming that's your favorite poultry farmer, don't forget, please like my video, share, hit at the notification bell so whenever I release a new video, it gets it automatically. Okay. Assuming that's your favorite poultry farmer. God bold Kelly Chukwu. Thank you.